Welcome to the USDTL video presentation for the collection of a blood spot on filter paper. You will need a tissue to wipe away the first drop of blood. You will need an alcohol pad that contains rubbing alcohol. Do not use ethanol. And you will need the Whitman 903 dried blood spot collector. And on the inside you will see there were 5 circles for the collection of the blood spots. And you will need a safety lancet. This device fires only once. To begin, clean your finger with an isopropyl or rubbing alcohol pad. Do not use ethanol. To activate the safety lancet, you twist a protective cap counterclockwise and pull out, and it can be discarded. And now your device is activated. Press it against your finger and press the green button. Blood flow is best if the puncture is off center of the fingertip. And once punctured, you can discard the lancet and hold your finger below your heart for increased blood flow. And most importantly, the first drop of blood that appears, you can wipe that away with your tissue. Allow the drop to form as large as you can, and without touching the paper, let just the drop of blood touch the paper and it will wick blood from the puncture. And hold your finger below your heart to increase blood flow. And we have found that this works best if you're standing as opposed to sitting. And allow the drop to form as large as possible. Try not to milk the finger, as that increases interstitial fluids and quickens the clotting process. And so again, without touching the paper, there's a spot. And continue this to collect 5. And after you've collected all 5 spots, you can check to see that there's enough. If it has soaked through, that means you have enough. Now allow the card to dry, and it's ready for shipment to the laboratory. A few tips for a successful collection is: do not use any ethanol in or around the collection. Wipe away the first drop of blood, as it tends to increase the clotting action. Stand to increase blood flow. Keep your hand below your heart to increase blood flow. And do not squeeze your finger, as this increases the interstitial fluid and increases the clotting action. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call USDTL's client services at 1-800-235-2367, and they will be happy to help you with collecting blood spots on filter paper.